Welcome to DriveFails. From reckless drivers diving headfirst into chaos to runaway vehicles triggering a storm of destruction, everything collides right here. Watch closely and remember to keep your grip firm on the wheel. Fasten your seatbelt. The ride begins now. Even a second of inattention can cost you your life. Always be careful when turning. Yield if it's necessary. Always follow traffic signs and traffic lights. Watch the traffic around you. Even at night, be careful on the road. Be cautious, because a collision can always happen at an intersection. Some events are almost incompatible with survival. And even slow driving can end up with flipping onto the roof. Has it ever happened to you that someone was driving towards you on the highway? Be careful at intersections too, because playing cars are not safe.
Hold on a second, babe.
Overtaking at night across multiple lanes and at high speed can cost you your life. Always watch the traffic from every side at an intersection. Don't run a red light. Yield the right of way. Even on the sidewalk, be cautious if you are a pedestrian. Sometimes, unfortunately, someone loses control of the vehicle and cannot avoid a collision. In the case of intersections, however, it's a different matter. Yield the right of way. Don't unnecessarily risk driving through an intersection full of cars if it's not necessary. You are endangering the lives of others. Do not overtake across a double solid line. It can cost someone their life. Don't rush through an intersection at a frantic speed. And don't forget to turn at the next intersection. Don't overtake cars unnecessarily if you don't have to take such a big risk. It can cost you your life or a fine. In the better case, it's the fine. Do not make a U-turn in the middle of an intersection. You will cause an accident. Follow the rules of the road. Even in winter, not only you, but also work vehicles can crash into you. Always adapt your driving to the road surface. Don't just fly frantically. Follow the traffic signs. Know when you have the right of way and when you don't. In winter, don't drive at an insane speed on a slippery road. You could cause a car accident. And overtaking on the highway at high speed might not end very well either. It doesn't matter at all if you are police or an ambulance, if the driver doesn't yield to you. At night, watch from every side where you can turn. Even a moment of inattention can cost someone their life. Therefore, follow all road traffic rules as you are supposed to. If you have to yield, then yield. During rain on a 4-lane road, there is no reason to pass each other, overtake, and weave from side to side. You will cause a car accident. Have you even seen a truck overtaking a car? Never do that if you are a truck driver. Sometimes someone also learns to fly by not turning where they are supposed to and having to fly over a parking lot. And in the evening, be careful from every side. I'm glad you watched this video and that you saw several accidents that were caused for absolutely no reason, just because someone wasn't paying attention, was looking at their phone, didn't yield the right of way, and it was just a pointless car accident that didn't have to happen at all. Needlessly extinguished lives. Always pay attention and watch the traffic. Focus on driving the motor vehicle and always adapt your driving to the condition of the road surface. Don't forget that it's not just you sitting in the car, but also your family, your acquaintances, or someone else might be driving their family, someone they know. Be truly cautious. We all only live once. It's no joke. It's dangerous.